Are you looking for the best gaming headsets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming headsets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless. This is the best, most flexible wireless gaming headset available, and the only one with swappable batteries. The Arctis Pro Wireless features a desktop wireless transmitter with a handy control knob, 2 USB-C ports for simultaneous connections to your computer and a compatible console, PlayStation, Xbox, and a charging slot for the included second battery. It also sounds good, feels good, and has surprisingly effective active noise cancellation. Gamers with deep pockets, willing to invest a substantial amount of money in an excellent wireless headset? This is the one for you. The SteelSeries Arctis Pro Wireless is expensive, but its features, especially the dual-platform connectivity, and overall quality justify the high price. Number 2. Logitech G Astro A10. It's a bit dated, but the Astro A10 is still one of the best inexpensive wired gaming headsets you can buy. It's simple, with a stereo configuration and a 3.5mm connector, but it sounds great and has a clear mic. Even better, you can find it for around $50. Budget-conscious gamers, if you're looking for excellent audio quality and a low-cost wired headset, this is a great choice. It's especially good for console gamers, as all major game systems feature headphone jacks. Number 3. Razer Barracuda X. The Razer Barracuda X isn't the fanciest or most luxurious-feeling wireless gaming headset, but it's one of the most affordable and flexible options for delivering high-quality audio. The USB-C transmitter lets it work with any PC, Switch, PlayStation 4 or 5, or Android phone with a USB-C port. Xbox isn't supported. Additionally, it features Bluetooth for on-the-go music listening and supports a 3.5mm wired connection. Most importantly, it sounds good, with a microphone that swings above its weight class in clarity. Budget-minded, non-Xbox gamers, the Barracuda X remains one of the best budget options for a wireless gaming headset that also lets you listen to music on your phone. Just remember that it doesn't work wirelessly with Xbox consoles. Number 4. Razer BlackShark V3 Pro. The Razer BlackShark V3 Pro is more expensive than its predecessor, but it adds a feature that justifies the price: active noise cancellation, ANC. This wireless headset effectively blocks distractions while delivering excellent sound with spatial audio, and its microphone ensures clear voice communication. Gamers who want to block distractions, due to its ANC and strong sound, the Razer BlackShark V3 Pro is an excellent choice if you want to tune out everything and focus on the game you're playing. The cans certainly aren't cheap, but they're less expensive than many similarly equipped high-end headsets. Number 5. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Elite. The Arctis Nova Elite takes everything that makes the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless great and builds on it with carbon fiber drivers, wireless 96Hz/24-bit high-res audio, and a base station that can connect to 3 systems over USB at once, including both PlayStation and Xbox. Those upgrades add up to a pretty massive price tag for any gaming headset, though. Audiophiles with the means, this is one of the best-sounding gaming headsets I've ever used, and one of the most expensive. The improvements it makes in balance and clarity from the already excellent Arctis Nova Pro Wireless probably won't justify the $220 premium the Elite demands unless you're an audio diehard. In fact, the audio quality upgrades really only come through with high-quality music, since few games support the full bitrate the headset handles.